Hi, I'm Michael, and this really was the first time that I had ever done a home remodel project. And so coming home every day to see how the progress of the work was going was really quite fun. The whole project took only about 2 months for both the kitchen and the bathroom. So it was really fun to be able to come home and see the changes that were occurring and how we were working towards finishing the project to what I was hoping would be a remodel that really reflected more of what the house originally looked like. So I was first introduced to new spaces probably about 6 years ago through a coworker who had her kitchen remodeled through New Spaces. And I was really impressed with what she had done to her house. So I visited New Spaces in the Burnsville showroom and saw the different cabinet styles that were available, all the different options that were available for me to do. And so I decided eventually to go with New Spaces and worked with Jennifer and Jamie and came up with 3 different designs. And I chose the one that really helped me create a kitchen and a bathroom that looked like it had long been here. And one of the great things about the remodel that I liked was kind of where I'm sitting now. We were able to open up the wall between the kitchen and the living room because it had been one long wall and the kitchen was a rather isolated room with only 2 windows to the east. And now it has a window to the south, it has an opening through the living room to the north, and it feels much larger and open compared to what it was when the house was originally built. So my expectations for the remodel were that it would be done on a timely basis, and it was. We started actually on December 23rd, 2019, and it was pretty much complete by the end of February of 2020, which in hindsight was a good thing considering what happened in March of 2020. And I was very happy when it was completed that it improved very much the flow of the house with being able to walk easily through the rooms. I had a nice long counter that I could use. I had new views to the south and a bathroom that looked a lot nicer than what I had from the 1980s. So overall, everything went very well, and it was just a great experience. I would recommend New Spaces because they were a team that was easy to work with, very responsive to the questions that I had. They had many options for what you could choose between cabinetry and different aspects of what would go into your kitchen. And they certainly came up with a number of different designs that really helped kind of me to see possibilities that I hadn't even thought of. So I think that was one of the great aspects of working with New Spaces, was using their design skills. And overall, a production team, a team that came to the house pretty regularly so that there were no great delays, and it was done on a timely basis. So the design process with Jen and Jamie went very smoothly. I visited the showroom a couple of times to see the different options that I had available. They came up with 3 different designs and helped me choose various parts of the kitchen and the bathroom. An easy team to work with, no personality challenges of any sort, really made for a good experience.